let me show you how containers work. It's possible that most things around you right now came from a container ship. The food you ate, the phone or computer you're looking at. We have anything from apples to frozen meat to explosive or toxic gases on the ship. Some of the things we carry is pretty bizarre. But everything actually begins in the office with a team of people we call central planners. They drop cargo plan for the whole supply chain. Then it's sent to our chief mate to adjust as required. The containers are loaded by port's crane. Some say they were used by the Empire. Starting from the bottom, stacking up like Legos. These cargo holds can be as deep as 40 times 40 meters. The spades are built with these long sail guides that run downwards. It secures the containers in place. And this is what an empty container hold looks like. Once it's filled, a hatch cover is placed on top so that more containers can be loaded. The ones above on deck will need extra lashings to secure them. Workers from the port handle the physical labor of lashing. Thank God, because these full metal rods are very, very heavy. Turnbuckles are twisted to tighten the steel rods. For that, we have turnbuckles, short bars, long bars, and twist locks. There's actually a few types of twist locks on our ship. Some are manual, some are automatic. It all depends on the location of the containers, but they serve the same purpose, which is to lock containers. Once again, it really is just like stacking Legos. The fruits and frozen products are transported by reefers. Reefers are short for refrigerated containers. They are pretty much a gigantic portable fridge. It can keep temperatures anywhere from room temperature to negative 30 degrees. That's negative 90 Fahrenheit for America folks. So what's my part in all this? Well, as third mate, my job during cargo operation is to monitor the loading and discharging progress. Afterwards, checking the lashing to make sure it's done properly. The last thing we want are containers falling into sea if we ever run into bad weather. Other than that, we keep watch on the overall condition of the ship, including safety and security. Checking the mooring lines and looking out for any suspicious activities like stowaways or pirates. So that was a general overview of how cargo operations are done on container ships. If you got any specific questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.